Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious rolls from roti. We'll cover everything from preparing your roti to assembling your perfect roll. This guide will help you transform simple roti into a versatile and satisfying meal, whether for a quick snack or a packed lunch. Get ready to create some amazing wraps. Once your roti is warm and your fillings are ready, it's time to assemble. Place your ingredients strategically on one side, leaving a small margin. This helps keep everything neat. Then, carefully fold and roll your roti tightly, ensuring the filling stays inside. A good roll makes for a great eating experience. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: after making these delicious roti rolls, you'll want to store them properly. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your rolls fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. The beauty of roti rolls is their versatility. Don't be afraid to get creative with your fillings and sauces. A dash of your favorite chutney or some fresh cilantro can elevate the flavors significantly. These rolls are perfect for a quick meal or a party appetizer. Enjoy them warm and fresh for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.